If you're an Afrobeat producer and you are thinking making drum patterns are difficult, then I got you, because today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually create simple drum pattern so that you can actually get the flow, the groove going. Okay, so what we're going to do is to set our tempo. First, we're going to set our tempo to 110. Right now, let's reduce it to about 107. Hit yes. Now, when it's come to making Afrobeat, what I'm going to tell you is to start with your melodies. All right, so let's go for simple melodies. Okay, after browsing through my melodies, I'm going to stick to this particular one. And the very first thing is to set the tempo. The tempo is 110, so we're going to set the tempo to 110. All right. Okay, so what I will tell you is to start with your melodies. If you are not getting the right drum patterns, you are creating boring drum patterns, start with your melodies. And I'm going to reduce my volume a little bit like this. Okay, next thing that I want you to put in your mind is to on the metronome. So as the metronome is counting the steps for you, start making the drums or be creative. Think of how the drums should be in your head. All right, next is to go for the right samples. Okay, so I will start with a percussion. Okay, so I'll choose this. Let's create a new pattern, put it here. All right, now this pattern, start with something simple. Okay, now let's delete all this selected. Make your drum simple. As the loop is playing, you can actually reduce the volume together with the metronome. So wherever that the metronome hits and you feel that they sound great, put a note there. So I'm okay here. Okay, then after that I'm gonna off the metronome and listen to this. Okay, that's super simple. Next, we're gonna fill the rest of the bars by hitting Ctrl B on our keyboard. Now listen to this. Okay, next thing you need to do is to layer this particular sample or percussion with any other samples. Okay, so I'm gonna go for this snare, then we're gonna copy the same thing, paste it here. Now listen. Alright, so now after getting the groove, it's time to add my kick. And if the kick comes inside and I'm okay, then I will set to that. Okay, so let's go for simple kick. Alright, and just right click, fill it 4 steps, listen to the groove. If it is nice, then you stick to that. Okay, now let's remove some of the kicks so that it will come in once. Alright, so now guys, the next thing you need to do is to add more percussions to kill the groove. Alright, so we're gonna add percussions. and make your percussion simple. Just fill the rest of the bars, Control B. All right, now guys, after that, just off the loop and now listen to the groove. We're gonna add loops, shaker loops, and by doing this, I'm gonna double click on this, make sure the shaker is on time, reduce it, Control B. All right, now listen to this groove without the melody. And now you can actually see that by following or starting with the melodies or a loop, you have gotten a nice drum pattern. So the next thing I'm going to do is to delete this loop and go for my own melodies. If this video is helping you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Alright, so it's time for me to add melodies. So let's create simple melodies. Let's choose the gravity. All right, then we're gonna choose something simple. Let's go for the pecs. I need something simple like the marimba. Okay, just go to the piano roll option, create simple melody. All right, so we're gonna create simple melodies here. All right, okay, let's change this to pianos. Go for this EP, solo this one. Okay, Control plus A. After that, you can be adding more loops. And next thing to do is to change your samples. Okay, just replace some of your samples with other or new ones and listen to the groove that you're gonna get.